guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video I wanted to sit down and just have like a little bit of a makeup corner moment and create a cut crease. So the inspiration for this makeup look was more to lean on the fall side and something for Thanksgiving. So this is November 2nd, or today is November 2nd, and we are creeping along closer and closer to Thanksgiving. You guys, Christmas is just around the corner. I cannot believe it. This year has just... So in today's video, I wanted to use the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette. Now this is Armed and Gorgeous, and it really screams fall to me. I mean, the golds, the browns, this pop of green. So I thought it was just the perfect palette to dive into today. So if you're interested to see how I used this palette, a few other things to create this look, then please stay tuned and let's get started. So to start off the look, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. So to create a really sharp eye look, I'm going to use some tape, and I just want to apply it to the outer corner or the outer edge of my eye, and that'll just help me align the look really sharply. So to start off this look, I envisioned a half cut crease. So the first color I'm going to go into is Prowl, and this is going to be my main dark attraction to this look. So I'll add Prowl using a tapered blending brush, and this is the Sigma E45. And I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my eye and place the color first and then blend it out in very small circular motions. Now here is my natural crease. So I want to bring Prowl just a little bit above my natural crease, just so that the color will pop out when I create my cut crease. And so right now I'm just packing on the color exactly where I want to place it, and then I'll blend it out a little bit later. Okay, so this would be the shape that I'm going for. So now what I'm gonna do is, with more eyeshadow, I'm just going to start blending out the edge of Prowl with the same brush, and this will just help it look a little bit more seamless once we add more colors on top. So next I'm going to jump into Access, and with another tapered brush I'm going to run Access on top of Prowl, and this will just help blend Prowl out a little bit more and just add a hint of color to the top of the look, so it's not just a stark dark type of look. Now I'm bringing Prowl up to my brow bone, which is completely fine. Next, I'm going to jump into Secure, and I'm going to add Secure on top of Access, and this will just bring out more of an orange-based look. And what I'm doing here is placing the shadow and blending it at the same time, because I don't need it to be as pigmented as Prowl. And really all I'm doing is just going in small circular motions right above Prowl, and this just helps blend it out. Next, to create the cut crease, I'm using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C13. I got this from Ulta. I've just been wanting to try out this brand of foundation and concealer. Now I always like a little bit of shadow to always be peeking through, so when I'm looking forward you can kind of look, you can see some of the shadow on the cut crease. So I always make mine a little bit above my natural transition area. Okay, and to blend the outer corner of this look, I'm just gonna take a very pointed, stiffer brush and pat out the concealer. So this will help make sure that it's not such a stark line between the concealer and the eyeshadow. Now it's okay if you start seeing a little bit of the eyeshadow disappear because we will add more, but I just want to make sure that the concealer isn't so harsh. Okay, so going back, we're going to go back with Prowl, and we're going to add Prowl again to the outer corner of the eye look. Next, we're going to jump into Guilt Trip, and we're using the Sephora Pro 15 brush. I love this brush for any type of eyeshadow just on the lid or on a cut crease. And what I'm doing is just packing. So taking that brush, dipping it into the eyeshadow, and just packing it on to the concealer. Now once we come to where Guilt Trip meets Prowl, all I'm going to do is take some of Guilt Trip and I'm just going to gently blend that color into Prowl and trying to extend it just a little bit into Prowl, not too much. Because I still want this to be a very half cut crease, but I want to make sure that the edge here is blending seamlessly into Prowl. Next, we'll add some detail. I'm diving into the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Gold Goddess. And with a very detailed brush, this is the Morphe E38, I will be creating a kind of like an outline of the cut crease. Okay, and then when we remove the tape, we see that it has created a really nice sharp edge, which is exactly what I was going for. I don't want to add eyeliner to this look, so this will kind of give that like fake or faux eyeliner effect. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is grab my mascara. So next, to coat my lashes, I'll be using the Tarte Big Ego mascara, and I'll just be doing one good run through for both my top and bottom lashes. So for today's lashes, I'm jumping into the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes. These are in the style Witches Vibes. So these are very flirty. I love the length and I love just like the voluminous look of them. And I'll be using some Duo Lash Glue to apply. Okay, so here is the difference with and without lashes, and honestly these lashes are so flattering, so I really like the way they just add to this look, just another dimension piece, you know? So yeah, so let me go ahead and add the other lash. I'm gonna go off camera, do my base makeup, and we'll be back to look at the final look. To finish off the look, I jumped into the Fenty Matte Lipsticks, and this is the shade PMS. I really love this berry type of look it's giving, and it matches really well with my hair color. And overall, I really do enjoy this look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and kind of like a talk through method. Let me know if you enjoy this new type of editing I'm trying to implement as far as like my makeup looks. But this, and don't mind the swatches, I was trying to figure out like which swatch or which shade to wear on my eyes. But for this look, I really do enjoy it. I love the cut crease. I think it came out really well. The lashes, love it. And with the glitter, it is just like glamified. So if you wanted to make this more of a natural cut crease, you could have omitted the glitter and maybe not wear lashes. But all in all, I really do like this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I really do love chatting with each and every one of you. And thank you guys for being here and sharing another moment with me. So please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for all your love and support. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.